Hi, Joanna. Yesterday we worked on goals 1 and 2. So today we'll be working on goal 3 and 4, which is mathematics. So your first assignment is to determine written, verbal or visual, the places of the place value number, like ones and tens. So the next sheet is the sheet that you need to look for in your worksheets in the packet that was given to you, and that's the one that we're going to work on for today. So here it is. It looks like this. It says place value, tens and ones. Fill in the number of the tens and ones. Okay, so here you have, well, let me give you an example that I have. I have number 15. So 1, 5. Okay, 15. Now tell me which is in the ones and tens. So the 5 is the ones and the 1 is on the tens position. Always remember that. Let's see. Here's another one. 36. 36. I'll be right there. 36. So the 6 is in the ones and the 3 is in the 10 position. There. Okay, so now, Joanna, what you're going to do is you're going to work on the problems. Here's one example also. Number 23, and the 3 is in the ones and the 2 is in the tens. So that's the way you're going to do it for the following questions, for the following problems. And once you finish this worksheet, we're going to go on to the next one. Okay, goal number 4. Goal number 4 is that you're going to be multiplying multiple numbers to regroup and borrowing. So that's what we're going to do, addition. So here's a worksheet for that one. And here's problem number 1. 50 plus 10. So we're going to start off with the zeros. 0 plus 0 is 0, of course. You always start with the first number. And then you're going to do the second line. 5 plus 1 is 6. So your answer is 60. That's for number 1. Let's try another one. Okay, here you go. 60 plus 10. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 70. So, okay, let's try the following problems on your own. And remember, once you finish, you take a picture of the problems of the worksheet and upload it to Teams, or send it to me and I'll upload it to Teams for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and call me and I will help you.